In this video, I'm going to show you how to program the garage door buttons on this 2021 Honda CR-V. These buttons up here are otherwise known as the Homelink buttons, and the only thing you're going to need is this remote control from your current garage door opener. Okay, so I just bought the CR-V last week, and the first thing I'm going to do is erase the old codes on all the buttons. To do that, I'll press and hold the first and third buttons together, and I'll keep holding until the LED starts blinking. This can take around 10 to 15 seconds. For this next part, I'll need my garage door remote. Mine is a Craftsman brand, but my instructions will work with practically any garage door opener. With the remote near the Homelink buttons, press and hold buttons 1, 2, or 3. Then press and hold the button on the remote. When the Homelink LED starts blinking quickly, programming is done. And now this button can open and close my garage door. However, if your CR-V garage button isn't working, then your garage door opener probably uses a rolling code. In this case, you'll need access to the garage door opener itself. Here, find the Learn button and press it once. After that, I have 30 seconds to get back in my vehicle and press the Homelink button I just programmed. It's possible you might have to press it more than once for it to register. But after that, I should be able to open and close my garage from my car. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.